Welcome back everyone. If you're new to the channel, I'm Darren and this is the Bulldog 3D. As it's Star Wars Day, I've printed out a couple of items from the Elegoo Centauri carbon. Let's come and take a look, see how good these prints are. Bottom layer looks great, top layer extremely smooth. This is printed with Elegoo's black PLA. Okay, second up, we have this Mandalorian helmet. Just taking off the printer. With the finish on there, you could almost not see layer lines, except for when you get to the top piece, which is typical on most prints. Take some of these off now. Two prints for Star Wars Day. First two bigger prints. My first big print on the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Mandalorian helmet took about 20 hours to print. If you like what you're seeing, remember to like this video, subscribe. See you all next time. Thanks for watching.